I'm Alice. Welcome back to Men Health 30, where we don't shy away from the truths about men's health, especially sexual health. In the previous video, I shared with you the silent dangers of improper hygiene after masturbation, from the risk of chronic prostatitis and painful urination, to even a decline in sexual function. But today, I want you to look at the issue from a different, more positive perspective. Because there's one truth that very few men over 50 realize. Proper hygiene after masturbation, though it may seem trivial, is actually your body's first immune barrier against a wide range of sexual health problems in middle age. If you're thinking, I was just by myself, it's already clean, nothing to worry about, then you might be missing out on 7 medically proven benefits. These benefits are backed by science, showing that proper hygiene after every session can help maintain testosterone levels, prevent genital infections, improve semen quality, and even slow down age-related decline in sexual function after 60. And here's the key point. These benefits don't come from medication or clinics. They start right in your bathroom, right after your moment of release. So, what exactly are these 7 benefits? And how can you do it right, without it being too complicated or time-consuming, but still truly effective? Backhand index pointing right, stick with me. You'll see that just one small change in your routine can unlock a completely different future for your sexual health. 1. Preventing urethritis and prostatitis, your first line of defense for sexual health. After each masturbation session, the urethra and prostate expand to release semen, creating microscopic injuries, microtrauma, in the mucosal lining. These tiny, invisible scratches become ideal entry points for bacteria, especially E. coli, a common microorganism found on your hands, around the anus, and on skin surfaces. If you don't wash your hands properly, don't clean your genital area, or skip urinating afterward, bacteria can travel upstream through the urethra, settle in the seminal ducts, and colonize the prostate. The result? Acute infection becomes chronic, lingers for years with symptoms like painful urination, perineal discomfort, loss of libido, and even reduced testosterone. OpenBook, a study from the Journal of Urology, 2020, revealed. Among 1,027 men over 50 diagnosed with chronic prostatitis, 41% had no sexual intercourse. Masturbation was their only sexual activity. Of those, over 60% did not clean themselves after masturbation. The most common bacteria? E. coli. Brain, just one simple habit. Washing your hands, cleaning your genitals, and urinating after masturbation can act as a natural vaccine to protect your sexual health beyond age 50. Backhand index pointing right, and that's just the first benefit. Next, we'll explore what most men truly care about, testosterone, and how to maintain your performance past 60. 2. Preventing fungal infections and genital dermatitis, a silent trap for men over 50. Have you ever felt itching or burning in the scrotum or shaft of the penis after masturbation, even without having sex? If so, the culprit may not be external, but rather your own residual semen. Pushpin, medically speaking, semen doesn't just contain sperm. It's a perfect nutrient mix for bacteria and yeast, rich in proteins, enzymes, sugars, and minerals. When you don't wash thoroughly, don't dry off properly, or wear damp underwear, you create ideal conditions for fungal and skin infections to develop. According to the British Journal of Dermatology, 2019 men over 55 have 2.5 times higher risk of genital candida infections if they skip hygiene after masturbation or sex. And it's not just candida causing itching and redness. Other culprits include Staphylococcus epidermidis folliculitis, red bumps, Proteus spp, unpleasant odor, seborrheic dermatitis. As you age, the skin in the genital area becomes thinner, more fragile, and slower to heal. Chronic itching and recurring inflammation don't just cause discomfort, They erode your confidence and affect your quality of life. Brain in short, hygiene after masturbation isn't just about being clean. It's about stopping infections before they start. A simple rinse with warm water, mild soap, and drying with your own towel is all it takes to protect the most sensitive part of your body from stubborn, recurring conditions. 3. Reducing nighttime urination and burning sensation with just one simple habit. Have you ever woken up at night to pee or felt a mild burning sensation in the morning, even without any clear infection? Chances are, the cause may be leftover bacteria from your last masturbation session. Pushpin medically, after ejaculation, a small amount of bacteria can remain in the urethra. If you don't urinate after masturbation, these bacteria can cause mild, silent urethral inflammation, irritate the bladder, leading to urgency or nighttime urination, trigger a stinging sensation during your first morning pee. Open Book Cleveland Clinic, 2022, confirms men who consistently urinate after masturbation reduce their risk of urethritis by up to 39% compared to those who don't. Brain in short, a single act, urinating after ejaculation, can flush bacteria out of the urethra, calm the bladder, and help you sleep through the night without discomfort. 4. Balancing the genital microbiome, the overlooked immune shield. Most men don't realize this. The head and shaft of the penis host a natural microbiome, much like the skin on your face or the inside of your mouth. These beneficial microbes help maintain a mildly acidic environment that protects against fungi, harmful bacteria, and inflammation. Pushpin, however, after ejaculation, if leftover semen is not properly washed off, it can disrupt the balance of good bacteria, microbial imbalance, dysbiosis. Break down the skin's protective acid layer, leading to irritation, redness, peeling, or stinging during cleaning. Open Book Microbiome Journal, 2021, reported, the penile microbiome, especially in uncircumcised men, can become imbalanced within just 12 hours of not cleaning the area after ejaculation due to bacterial buildup under the foreskin. Brain in short, hygiene after masturbation isn't just about removing residue, it's about preserving your body's natural immune defense and preventing chronic issues like itching, rashes, or skin inflammation in the genital area. 5. Faster sexual recovery, reducing fatigue after masturbation. Have you ever felt drained or unusually tired after masturbation, even though you were physically fine beforehand? It's not just about getting older. The real cause might be bacterial buildup and low-grade inflammation after ejaculation. Pushpin physiologically, here's what may be happening. Bacteria enter the urethra, causing silent inflammation. The prostate is overstimulated, triggering an increase in cortisol, the stress hormone. Frequent nighttime urination disrupts sleep, leading to prolonged fatigue. Brain the solution? Proper hygiene and urination after masturbation help. Flush bacteria from the urethra. Soothe the prostate. Prevent inflammatory responses, reducing fatigue and speeding up recovery. Backhand index pointing right, don't overlook post-masturbation fatigue. It may be your prostate signaling that it's under stress. And the simplest way to support your recovery, both physically and sexually, is cleaning up properly right after. 6. Boosting confidence, regaining control over your body and personal life. Hygiene after masturbation isn't just a matter of cleanliness, it's a conscious act of self-respect. Pushpin, according to sexual health psychology, this habit reflects respect for your own body, a clear sense of personal control and discipline, reduced anxiety about odor, infections, or unintended consequences. Open Book, the International Journal of Men's Health, 2020, found men who practice thorough hygiene after sexual activity, including masturbation, scored 23% higher in measures of personal control and satisfaction compared to those who skipped or did minimal cleaning. Brain in short, Proper hygiene after masturbation not only keeps you physically healthy, it also builds confidence, reinforces control, and helps you stay grounded in a phase of life where many men feel they're starting to lose it. 7. A golden opportunity to detect early warning signs. Hygiene after masturbation isn't just about staying clean. It's also one of the few times in the day when you actually take a close look at your body. Pushpin, it's the perfect moment to check for changes in semen color, clumping, or blood traces, a feeling of tightness or discomfort in the scrotum, unusual odor, redness, or soreness around the glands. These subtle signs could be early indicators of epididymitis or testicular inflammation, prostatitis, early-stage testicular cancer. The sooner you spot them, the higher the chance of successful treatment. And it all starts with a mindful moment of hygiene. Backhand index pointing right, don't underestimate this habit. It not only protects your health, it helps you stay aware, stay calm, and stay in control of your body. As you've seen, proper hygiene after masturbation, though it may seem like a small step, actually brings 7 clear medical benefits. Prevents urethritis and prostatitis. Protects against fungal infections and genital dermatitis. Reduces the risk of nighttime urination and burning sensations. Balances the genital microbiome, supporting local immunity. Speeds up sexual recovery and reduces post-ejaculation fatigue. Boosts confidence and body awareness. Helps detect early signs of serious sexual health issues. Brain, don't let age or neglect make you overlook one of the most important defense lines for men's health. The real difference doesn't come from pills. It starts with daily habits.
Today,
in your own bathroom. Backhand index pointing right. If this video helped you reflect on your personal hygiene and health habits, hit like and share it with a friend or a loved one. You might just help them avoid a long-term health issue. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. I'm Alice, and I'll see you in the next video on Men Health 30. Because you deserve a body that's strong, confident, and in control, today and well beyond your 60s.